Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a Gmail account, so let's get to it. First, you want to go to App Store or Play Store, whatever you use. Then you want to search up Gmail, if you don't already have it. It should look like this. Just wait for it on the home screen. It is done. Add another account. Google. Continue. Then you want to press create account. For myself, first name, so just put in information scroll. Okay, I got December. Let me see, 15th, no, 25th, Christmas. There we go. Then our birthday is 1999. Our gender is female. Oh, female. So we're gonna use gmail.com. Then we're going to make a password. Then we're going to use a phone number. Just gonna skip this part. I agree. Yes. Okay, now we have an account. So yeah. Done. Allow. And yeah. That's how you sign into a Gmail account. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.